Welcome to the Zuitte email app. To access the Zuitte email app, go to the Marketing folder and click Email Marketing. You have 4,000 emails included with your Zuitte monthly membership. When you first reach the Zuitte email app, you are greeted by a quick and easy-to-follow welcome message. Please read through the slides as they show you how to set up your account, create lists, campaigns, and more. The first thing you need to do is create your email list. This is where you will add in your customers' email addresses and set up the list details. First, fill in all your data and make sure to set everything how you would like it. Make sure to take the time to fill everything in correctly and read the suggestions as you go along. Once everything has been filled in and the list has been set up, you can now add subscribers. Just go to Lists and then select the name of the list you wish to add subscribers to. In the list settings, you will see data regarding your list. If we then click on Forms, we can see code that can be placed to help customers subscribe and unsubscribe to your list. Just another feature we provide to make life a little easier for you. If we go back to the list settings and click on Tools, we are taken to the area where we can add email addresses to our lists. There are 3 options in here. We can import, export, and copy email addresses from our lists to use any way we please. If we click on Import, we can choose to import our email addresses from CSV file, text file, or from a pre-existing SQL database. Most commonly though, email lists will be in a CSV spreadsheet file. So just click on the CSV option, select the file you want, and click Upload. Next, if we continue down the menus, we can see a multitude of other tools as well. For example, we can sync email lists together, split email lists, add email addresses to a blacklist, or even a suppression list. Now that we've created a list and uploaded our customers' email addresses, we can create a campaign. Creating an email campaign in the Zuitte email app is super easy. Just follow the prompts and fill out the forms. Then we reach the Template tab. Here, we create the body of the email. We can import a template from HTML, upload a template you've downloaded or made elsewhere, or select a pre-made or preloaded template. We can also create a custom email design using our powerful email builder. The email builder has a simple drag and drop style so that you can select any type of element, for example text, text with image, image and more, and drop it to the location you want inside the email. Everything is easily editable, so you can make the email uniquely yours. To complete your email template and create your campaign, just follow the instructions on the Confirmation tab. If we take another look at the menus, at the Tools under Campaigns, we can see another great selection of options and settings. We can see types of campaigns we have created, such as regular email campaigns and auto-response campaigns. We can create and see email campaign groups, statistics, and geographical information regarding our email campaigns, and even add specific tags for our email campaigns. Under Email Templates, we can see, edit, and organize our email templates. Now, if we go up to Pricing, we can see all the plans and quotas. Your standard Zuitte monthly membership includes the ability to send up to 4,000 emails each monthly cycle. To send more than that, you will need to purchase an add-on to suit your business's email requirements.